In today's video, I'll show you how to use Wix apps to add powerful features to your website. Whether you want to create bookings, add a blog, or build an online store, Wix apps make it quick and easy. Start by opening your website in the Wix editor. This is where you manage and customize everything on your site. Once the editor loads, look to the left sidebar and click on Add Apps. This opens the Wix App Market, where you'll find a wide range of tools designed to extend your site's functionality. You can browse through the available apps or use the search bar to find something specific like Wix Bookings, Wix Blog, or Wix Stores. When you find an app you like, click on it to view the details. Here, you can read the description, check reviews, and see what the app can do before installing it. If the app fits your needs, click Add to Site. The app will install automatically and integrate into your website. Once installed, follow the on-screen setup steps to customize the app, adjust settings, and connect it to your site as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added and set up a Wix app. Exploring different apps is a great way to improve your website and create a better experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more Wix tutorials to keep upgrading your site.